illuminated batter's eye. That one is hit a long way, and Trevor Plouffe has another one way back into left field, and the Twins take the first lead.
Boy, I tell you what, that had some good sound on it right there. Trevor Plouffe, home run number 14 on the year. That equals last year's home run total.